we are going to do our session. Okay, let me start with some basic. Have you watched very recent upload that I have made in the channel?
Yeah, yeah, I have seen, bro.
This could be splitting few phases. Initially, the first phase is kind of make you profitable one.
Everyone,
Once you start to become seeing some profit, then we started the phase two. Phase two is actually like, I love a quotation from Shah Rukh Khan. One day I saw an interview of him. He said, before become a philosopher, you should be a rich person.
yeah,
Become like, people, you may get inspired when you go to the Instagram and you see people buying from everywhere, selling from everywhere, and they have like even few holding like trade months and over months, 1,000 pips, 300, 400 pips. This is something trade, this kind of trade, I call it a show off trade. I call it a philosophical trade, because these types of trade is actually good for Instagram reel, not for real making money.
yes,
If you see your past experience, I have also experienced the same thing, which is when I open a trade, my trade goes like 100 pips, 150 pips, and it come back all the way down to my entry area, hit my break even, or I hit my stop loss. These are the possibility when you goes for big trade. So my philosophy is you make money first. Once you consistently make money, then you are in a certain way of confidence, like doesn't matter what's market is going on in the market, I can make money.
yeah.
To making money, I always try to very specific amount of pips, which is 1:2 is the very basic target of mine, right? Very basic target of mine. Like whenever I open a trade, I put on average 30 to 25 pips stop loss. I targeted to at least 60 pips. That's my initial target. And then it's depend on the movement. If the movement is good, I try to take it like 100 pips. And the way we trade, there are lots of setup on every single day, and a lots of, opportunity in the market. But our job is not to reach for every single trade we see in the market. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Few specific time I open my trade. If you're following me in the Telegram channel when I post my trade, also those who knows in the superhero group, from 12 like Indian time, it will be 11:30 to 1:30. Okay, this is the specific
Yeah,
time
here,
to on London session I open my trade.
yes, this is my session, yes.
And if you see the 6:30 to 8:30, this is the time that I open my trade in the New York session. That's it.
Yes.
In between, maybe
Okay.
sometimes, not every day, sometimes in between. So also, two thing you need to be very careful is, uh, I do not recommend to open at least two more than three trade in a day. Okay, why?
Okay.
Because the way we trade, it is very hard to hit your stop loss back to back. Okay. First of all, remember, no one, even I myself, even no one can give you you're going to get 100% win rate, not even 90% win rate. Our job is not to look that far. If one is to two gives you 50% win rate also,
Then we will be a
and
trouble.
right, like what is the as far as I remember, your account, if it is like $1,000 balance also, your account will grow 6% in a month. Got my point?
Yeah,
6% in a month.
yes.
So at the end of the year, it will be like 76%. No business gives you that much of return. ROI is not that much. None of business. Now, sometimes yes, you may have a lots of returns, but to be realistically, if we say very realistically, you may get a lot of trade. You may win a lot of. You should not be focused like more than 10-20%. Yeah, I know the way we trade, we get sometimes we make our balance like 300, 400 times in a week. it's still if initially when you started, right? Initially, you should not target it like that much, okay? Because how old are you, brother?
25.
This market, like I am 34 now, and this market has been open for our us, like retail trader. Even I before my 50 years. Let's say it's the 50 years for the retail trader. Okay, so this market was open. Even I born before born, and even if we die, our next generation also will have that opportunity, like this same, right? So do not
Yes,
think like
yes.
there is no tomorrow. There is always tomorrow in the market. So my thought process
Yes.
and my philosophy is if I hit back to back two stop loss, like let's say I open a trade in the London session, okay, and I hit my stop loss. I do not care what happened after that in the market. I just shut down my chart. I do not come back till the next session. So let's say I open the trade again in the next session. I hit my stop loss again, and that will be total. If I use the max stop loss 35 pips in a day, I am losing only 70 pips.
Yes.
Next day you come and you open a trade, you win in the London session, and you trade give you the target profit. You are recovering your previous whole day's losses extra with now profit. So yeah, I understand this end of psychology takes time, but this is the process you should also follow. Always
Yeah, oh,
always remember the process is same. Money is the byproduct for us. You are very young. You have a lots of time, lots of time. Trust me, people will dreamed about the amount you will make in years if you go through the right process, right formula, and the exact mindset if you follow. Okay. As I said, maybe in one session, which we split it in three sessions in a day, in one session, whatever money we'll make in future, when I said the future, within 1 years, this will be the first class salary of your country. People are working for a month. Okay. So, as I said, do not take it like, okay, it's a money making machine and everything. But it's a money making machine. For printing the money, you need to know when you trigger your switch. Okay.
yes, yes, correct.
Where we started, as I said, the philosophical thing. So when you start to making money, now you know that, okay, there is a process. Now I know that I can make money by that process. Once you steadily started like making that much money, then you can do experiment of yourself. Like, let's try 200 pips, let's try 300,000 pips. Is it possible? Yes. This is what we do in the phase two. So become going to the phase two. So you need to understand, at least be little bit profitable. Like, okay, I'm making much money now. Let's go for the phase two. Okay. So yeah, this is it. So much pep talk. I'm sorry. Sometimes I sounds like a school teacher.
No, bro, you're good, you're good. Yeah.
Let's start. So before starting, let me ask you something. You know the SNR level. You know the engulfing level. Is it?
Yes, yes, yes. I know, I know.
Still, if you want, we can go through the very basic, like candle study done and how it form and everything. If you want.
No, no, no. I know that, and I refer to our previous videos also. So in that one, you can explain the classic ASNR and VSNR, gap SNR,
Yeah. So
Quasimodo, pattern SNR. Yeah.
good. So one more thing that you have to understand, like this is, let's say, this is the current market, right? This is the current market. Nobody's can knows. Like I do not know what is the specialty of mine. Is like I am not like other who showed you like look, just a minute. Who showed you like just who showed you just a minute. I'm looking for an example. You see this one. This is a gap rejection. See market.
Yes.
So I do not like do that. Like no way there is a very little chance you can tell this gap rejection is going to hold. How I show you that? Because it's already. Okay.
Yeah.
You ask me from here which gap level can hold. Maybe this one. The possibility. Maybe this one. But there is a lots of formula, lots of thing you need to understand. And when I say maybe this one, because We filter a lot of things. We add a lot of things to identify which gap is going to work, which gap is not going to work. Okay? By time you will understand.
Oh. Mm.
Just before going to the main session, actually, let me take some eye test of yours. Okay? You don't mind. Because to me, eye test and eye training is very important, because this is the thing where you will understand where is the setup, where is not a setup. Correct, brother?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, bro. Irregular bullish engulfing, irregular buy engulfing.
All right. Whatever you say, it's fine. What it is?
Yeah, regular buy engulfing,
What it is?
irregular sell engulfing. Irregular sell engulfing got breakout.
And we call it a different terminology. EF or engulfing fade. Basically, this engulfing cell.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's in traders. Yeah. It will be irregular buy engulfing. Irregular buy engulfing.
Why, like, remember, there is a video, like the very recent last one, and maybe the uploaded the second last from today. I said every single thing in the market is a combination of the color.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Have you gone through that video, right?
Yes, brother. Actually, I couldn't recall it. If can you revise that?
Said actually, whatever we see, like this is what? This is nothing but a price, right? Every candle is representing as a price, right? Why a price did what? So somewhere we see body, somewhere we see wicket, right?
Yes.
Open, close, and high-low formation, right? Whether open, low, so whenever price do something, it created either sell or buy, isn't it? Either sell is falling,
Yes.
falling, or moving toward to the upper area. So that means when there is a sell happening, it created a red candle, right?
Yes.
When there is a buy happening, it created a bullish
Candle.
So everything in the market, if you see, it's either red or green. And when it created a red or green, it created a combination, right? Combination.
Yes. Yes.
Combination means I believe you're not married. So your parents, like your father and mother is a combination. Me and my wife is a combination. But me and you are not a combination. We are the same gender. So we are the same thing. So
Yes.
the same color is the not combination. But whenever two different color adding or merging, we call it a combination of the color. Right? Now, whenever you break candle by candle, everywhere it just needed the multi-time frame thing. Everywhere these are the combination we see. So everything we see in the market, to me personally, it is an engulfing, isn't it?
Yes, brother.
Now, when I say if everything is engulfing, so basically what engulfing do? Engulfing help us to identify actually where market is moving or not. Okay?
Okay.
Everywhere you see there should be an engulfing, and you see market will always react it from that engulfing. Correct? Like if you see here,
Yes.
if you see here, this is a engulfing, right? So what engulfing? This is an engulfing, right? Engulfing cell, which is an irregular one. So what you will see now, this particular engulfing, we says previously that there will be an engulfing here, there will be another engulfing here. So if it is a upper zone is the cell one, right?
Yes. Sell
By one, right?
by one.
What we expect from area to area, like this engulfing, the question is, okay, I understand everything is the combination of color. That combination makes us either engulfing buy or engulfing sell, isn't it? And the third part is, as all of them are combination, and that combination creating an engulfing. Now the question is what we will do with that. right? Like, I know you are a human, you can work, but I don't know what is your job. That's the problem. So this is the same, like you are, everything is combination. That combination is creating an engulfing. And now we need to know what this engulfing does actually in the market, right? So basic, so whenever market is somewhere here, if it goes there, this engulfing will change to market to the sell area, then it will come back to the buy area, right? Like engulfing is something that will hold the market. If don't hold, then we call it a different thing. Okay. Now, as it is an engulfing sell, so what we are expecting, it's in the sell zone, right? It's in the sell zone. We expect
Yes.
it to fall, and then what we see, it fall, right? It's falling toward to the downside. What is the okay? Now, uh, the thing, and we are going to basically start our very main session. Okay, very main session.
Okay.
Just let me give some 1 minute time on.
Yeah.